Your AI assistant just got a promotion, and it's coming for the most valuable real estate you have, your phone's home screen. Anthropic just launched its Claude AI on mobile, aiming to replace dozens of your daily apps with a single, unified coworker. But the real goal isn't just convenience. It's to create an AI that knows your entire workflow, and that has massive implications for your data and your job. This isn't just another app. It's a fundamental shift in how you'll work with AI. Okay, so on the surface, this looks simple. Anthropic, OpenAI's biggest rival, released a Claude app for iPhone. Big deal, right? ChatGPT has had an app for a year.
Exactly. It feels like they're just playing catch-up. But the framing here is completely different. They're not just calling it Claude. They're positioning it as part of a larger system, a coworker for your team.
That's the key. At the same time, they launched a team plan for businesses at $30 per user per month. It's a direct shot at ChatGPT for Teams.
So this isn't about asking an AI for a dinner recipe on the go. This is about integrating a powerful AI into every minute of your workday, whether you're at your desk or on your phone.
Correct. And the strategy is to become the central hub for your work, the single place you go. The question is, can they actually pull it off?
So what makes this a coworker and not just a really smart chatbot, like a calculator for words?
It's the difference between memory and context. Think of most chatbots like a calculator. You put in a problem, you get an answer. The calculator doesn't remember your last 10 calculations. You have to start fresh every time.
Which is exactly the problem with using AI for complex work. I have to re-explain the project, re-upload the style guide, remind it of the target audience every single time.
Exactly. Anthropic's whole strategy is built around solving that. The coworker concept is about creating persistent AI collaborators with specific knowledge. They used to call this expressions. Now it's baked into the core product.
Give me a real-world example. How would a marketing manager use this?
She could create a brand voice analyst project inside Claude. She'd feed it all the company's brand guidelines, past successful campaigns, and target demographics once. From then on, anytime she asks that specific coworker to draft copy, it already has all that context. No reprompting.
So you're not just talking to Claude. You're talking to your custom-built brand voice analyst or legal clause checker. You're building a team of specialists.
That's the paradigm shift. It turns the AI from a tool you use into a resource you manage. And now, that entire team of specialists lives in your pocket.
Okay, I see the productivity gain. But you said this was a threat to companies like Google. How?
Because this isn't just a threat to other AI models. It's a threat to the entire software as a service, or SaaS, ecosystem. Think about how many small, specialized apps your company pays for each month.
A lot. A tool for summarizing transcripts, a grammar checker, something for generating social media posts, a tool to analyze customer feedback.
And a coworker AI with deep context can do all of those things. Why would your company pay $20 a month for a separate summarization tool if Claude, which already has the meeting transcript, can give you a perfect summary instantly?
It becomes redundant. The value of those single-task apps plummets when a generalist AI can do their job good enough and with more context.
Precisely. This is the Trojan horse. Anthropic gets you to use Claude for its chat abilities, but its real goal is to become the underlying engine for dozens of tasks you currently use other software for. They're not just competing with OpenAI, they're competing with Grammarly, with Jasper, and even with parts of Google Workspace and Microsoft 365.
So, let's bring this down to the individual. What does this mean for me, an ambitious professional trying to stay ahead?
First, it's a massive productivity lever if you use it right. The skill is no longer just prompt engineering. It's becoming AI orchestration. Can you build, manage, and deploy a team of these specialized AI coworkers to automate parts of your job?
So instead of just doing the analysis, my job becomes defining the analysis for an AI to perform and then interpreting the results.
Yes. The person who builds a competitor tracking coworker that automatically scrapes news and delivers a perfect daily brief is going to be far more valuable than the person who spends 3 hours doing that manually.
But there's a catch, isn't there? This sounds like you're uploading your entire professional brain, all your projects, data, and context into one single system.
That is the multi-trillion-dollar question. You're creating an incredibly powerful, personalized productivity engine, but you're also creating a single point of failure and giving one company, in this case Anthropic, a terrifyingly complete picture of your work life. Their promise of constitutional AI and safety is being put to the ultimate test. So, are you ready to give one AI the keys to your entire professional kingdom? The move by Anthropic to put a coworker in your pocket isn't just another app launch. It's a fundamental play to become the central, context-aware operating system for your job, potentially replacing dozens of tools you use every day. The companies and professionals who learn to orchestrate these AI teams will build a massive competitive advantage. If you want to cut through the hype and understand these critical shifts in AI, subscribe to Decoded AI. Our next video investigates how AI is quietly transforming the US power grid and why your electricity bill is the first thing you'll notice. That's the signal in the noise. AI Decoded.